Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are making orange and mango juice. The orange and mango have been thoroughly washed and cleaned. In a short while, I'm going to show you how to make this immune boosting juice at home with a twist of ginger. So I start by cutting the oranges and I'll be juicing them right away. This juice is high in vitamin C and it's a good source of immune booster for this weather we are about entering now. It's very good for the whole family. It's good for the whole family. You can take it while eating, you can take it while snacking, you can take it any time of the day. It's very good and also healthy, well recommended too. Your family will like it, I promise you. So that is done. I'll set it aside. I will cut and slice the mango, scraping out the fruit from it because that is what we are going to be using. Our ginger and mango have been sliced. Here I'm scraping out the fruits of the mango from the mango peel and also to be ready to be blended together. Our mango is already in the blender. I just added the ginger and here is the orange juice. I'm going to blend it to a very smooth paste where it can be served. So relax and keep watching to the end of the video, and please don't forget to follow, like and share. God bless you as you do so. See you in my next one. Bye.